As you may very well remember, I'm familiar with electric cars. I used to have my Tesla and my wife still drives an electric vehicle. And one thing you do have to be careful of when you purchase such a vehicle is its instant acceleration. And this is the problem here. The driver of the vehicle from the side road didn't expect the pace. Thankfully, no contact was made, as you'll see in a moment, but this driver of this vehicle wasn't expecting to be arriving at the same point at the same time. And you'll see this a little clearer on second viewing. Also watch how long my viewer accelerates when it's clear that the vehicle is going to emerge. It's kinda cute, but it's so short. This was a definite increase of acceleration into an increasing risk. It's one of my bugbears. But it's something that's difficult to teach. I do mention to my students about the acceleration rate of motorcycles, but it's impossible for everyone to tell that that other driver is driving an electric vehicle.
I did right!
Oh, it'll make me itch. It's not comfy.
Start recording emergency video.
Do you think my viewer was more insistent on saving that incident rather than what they were doing at the roundabout? Did you notice they probably should have been in lane 1? So there's a few things to take for everyone from this learning point. Thanks for tuning in.